Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check this out. This, my friends, ready, is, boom, feast that, 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. Rough country suspension lift, brand new wheels and tires, a nice setup, no rubbing. They're a set of Moto Metal 970s, all gloss black, brand new from, not kind of brand new, from Moto Metal. Super aggressive wheel with a nice mud terrain tire. Check it out. Like the beginning of the intro of the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, welcome. My name is Mark. Here is a 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. Super nice truck, Z71 package. Let's check it out. Come check it out. Look at it. So right here, what we did, we honestly had to do a little bit of trimming, not gonna lie, okay? So good thing was, it was already trimmed up before we bought it. The guy put the factory wheels and tires back on it before he sold it. No hate against that, whatever. You're probably gonna use one something else. With that said, we put a set of 20 by 10 Moto Metal 970s, all black, on this truck, okay? And it's a 35 1250 20-inch tire. It's a rough country, it's a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. It was already on when we got it. So all we need to do is throw some wheels and tires on it. It rubbed a little bit, and with that said, we trimmed it up. Let me show you guys what we did. In full crank, okay, probably about 95% crank, it was rubbing a little bit. No, I'm focusing right here. So right there is a little tab, your fender liner, okay? The fender liner came down just a little bit further right here. So what we did is trimmed out just a little bit on both sides, okay? And then over here, let me show you guys. And right here, what we did, a little piece, tiny piece right here. The line is nice and fine right there. So if you guys are doing that, if you guys have to trim stuff out, your best bet, first of all, is either choose the right lift to compensate for the wheels and tires you want to run, or choose the right size tire, wheel and tire combo when you're doing your lift. Vice versa, either or, you're gonna make it right, it's gonna look good. But with that said, you're gonna have to trim maybe a very small amount right there. And that's what we did. After you see the exposed part of the metal, you'll see like a paint rubbed off or whatnot from your tire. Take a little bit of black spray paint, touch it up, it'll look brand new and nice. It'll match the fender liner. The interior of this truck is super nice. The paint is gorgeous, top to bottom, inside and out. You know me and my door jams, so look at this. Super clean right there. Really nice setup right here. The interior, check out the interior. Interior is nice. It's got the full flip up console right here. Come check this out too. So these are always broke. I showed you guys in an earlier video. The tab for the release of the center console is broke. Brand new, it works super tough now. Interior has no rips. The carpet's nice. No stains, nothing like that. And yeah, the rest of the truck's pretty kick-ass, I have to say. The bed liner, it's got an older spray-in bed liner. The truck does have a full exhaust system. It's got a Flowmaster exhaust system. It does not have remote start. With that said, you heard the video in the beginning of the video. It sounded pretty tough. I hope you like it. What we did is we blacked out the front Chevy emblem and the rear Chevy emblem. Let's check out the front side right here. So, power windows, everything like that. Everybody always asks me, Mark, how does it ride on the highway? What's your opinion? Mud terrains, all terrains. I love the way mud terrains look. I love the way all-terrains sound. I don't like the way all-terrains look on some vehicles. It depends what I'm using it for. So with that said, we chose mud terrains on this truck right here. This truck has, it's got 124,000 miles on it, and here it sounds like this. Ready? Go put your ear near the exhaust system. Hope you like it. So let's pop the hood and check out under the hood. The best thing about having a nice lifted truck, it's called a pavement princess, a parking lot king, parking lot queen, whatever you want to call it, is when you take them off roading and you go through a lot of dust and dirt, crap gets everywhere. I recondition a lot of my vehicles because I'm OCD as hell. Look how clean this engine is. Super, super nice. Look at the back part of the firewall right there. Super clean. This truck has a, we threw a K&N cold air filter system on here. Brand new. Check this out right here. K&N air filter system with air filter. Cold air system. It's got the little box right here. A lot of them have the pads up top that separate the, you know, hood from the actual filter right here. And what it is that you're separating all this engine heat from the filter. You suck in colder air, your truck performs better, and what have you. 5.3 liter V8 kick-ass truck. Hope you guys liked the video. This is Mark signing out. Holler at me.